Dear students, next one important question. NCERT exercise problem number 7.8 in 11th standard. Please listen to the question. A non-uniform bar of weight W is suspended at the rest by two strings of the negligible weight as shown in the diagram. So this is that bar, its weight is W. The angle made by the strings with the verticals are 36.9 degree and 53.1 degree respectively. So here two strings are there, string 1, string 2. Here making an angle with the vertical position, that is 36.9 degree. Like that, string 2 making an angle with the vertical position, that is 53.1 degree. The bar is 2 meter long. It is a 2 meter long. Okay, so here what they are asking in this situation, it is maintaining the equilibrium position now. So in this situation they are asking, calculate the distance of D. This is the D. Okay, calculate the distance of D of the center of gravity of the bar from its left end. So actually this is center of gravity of this bar. Actually the center of gravity is exactly center if the string should be the uniform, but string length is differ, so the center of gravity is shifted from center to here. Okay, so that distance we don't know. So now they are asking that the center of gravity distance, that is a D distance from the left side. So that D value only asking. So this D value only asking. Okay, right. So please observe this diagram. So based on the diagram, I am going to find that the center of gravity position from the left end. Okay, with the help of the diagram I am going to explain. So please listen. Okay, listen, that actual diagram, it is the vertical position. So one more vertical position, then here one rod is there, 2 meter rod. This 2 meter rod is connected from one string, the left side as usual, the right side also, but a different length. So here in the string some tensional force is developed. That tensional force is I am taken as T1. Like that in the string 2 the tensional force is developed, that is a T2. Okay, then angle here, making an angle is given in the textbook 36.9 degree. Here the angle is 36.9 degree. Like that here making an angle is, that is 53.1 degree. 53.1 degree. Okay, no need to confuse, it is easy only, I am going to explain, please wait. Then here that length is given, that is a 2 meter length rod. Okay, right. Suppose if the both string the length should be the same, means that center of gravity exactly at center, but we know that here the length is different. Due to the different length, here I am making an angle also different, so the center of gravity is here, we don't know the distance. So actual weight is W, its center of gravity, D distance from the left side. So this D value only we are going to calculate. Okay, right. So please focus that here making some triangle like that here also. So based on the triangle idea I am going to solve this problem. So please listen. First let's take here 36.9 degree. Okay, so the based on this model many problems are there. So first I will give the general idea for the triangle. Listen, let's take this triangle. Okay, in this triangle, for example, it is a theta. Okay, then here the 4, then this side value is 3, the hypotenuse value is 5. Okay, so in this situation, let's we find cos theta. So cos theta is equal to, we know that is a adjacent divided by hypotenuse, that is a 4 by 5. So if you that 4 by 5, therefore theta is equal to the cos inverse of 4 by 5. If we simplify, we can get that theta value, that is 36.9 degree will come. Okay, so what is this meaning? Meaning is, that is cos 36.9 degree, that is we can write as 4 by 5, that is a meaning. Okay, so this idea, it will be useful for so many problems, so please follow that. So now we found the cos theta value 4 by 5. Okay, so like that, what about the sin theta? Okay, so sin theta we can write as, based on the same diagram, we can write as that sin, that means sin 36.9 degree we can write as, so sin theta, you know, opposite divided by hypotenuse, that is here opposite 3, so 3 by 5. Okay, so the sin value and cos value, please follow that. Okay, this is one idea for, especially for 36.9 degree. What about the sin value, what about the cos value? Okay, like that, let's come for the right side, that is 53.1 degree. Okay, so this is also very simple, so please, the same idea, let's take the triangle, but one small alteration, same angle theta, here the 5. Okay, here you know 4, here 3, just to interchange, here 3, then here 4. Okay, so the same idea, here we can write the cos theta is equal to adjacent, then adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So here adjacent is 3, hypotenuse 5. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 3 by 5. So if you simplify, we can get this value, that is theta value is, that is 53.1 degree will come. Okay, so therefore the meaning is, that is cos 53.1 degree is equal to, we can write as, that is 3 by 5. Okay, like that we can write for the sin 53.1 degree, we can write as sin theta, you know, that is opposite, that is 4 divided by 5 will come. So 4 divided by 5 will come. Okay, right. So please listen students, in this question, why I want to find the sin theta and cos theta value? Because here you know it is maintaining the equilibrium position. So this weight is balanced with the vertical component. Weight is downward direction. This downward direction weight is balanced with the double upward direction component. Upward direction component is here cos theta. Okay, it is a cos theta. Here T1 cos theta, this is T2 cos theta. Okay, upward direction is cos theta. So and then the horizontal view is balanced with the sin theta. Okay, so in this case we need sin value and cos value. For that only we found sin theta and cos theta value. First cos theta value and sin theta value for left side angle. Like that, cos theta value and sin theta value for right side angle. Okay, this is the initial steps. Okay, right. So you know very well, here it is maintaining that equilibrium position. So based on the equilibrium position, I draw one more diagram, the same thing. Listen, you know, see that this is the angle. Okay, right, here making one triangle, like that here also angle, here making one triangle. This triangle concept only I can explain, already I explained. Okay, so now the equilibrium position, okay, it is the main calculation. Now we can going to start the main calculation. So for equilibrium position, what is the condition? What is the condition for the equilibrium position? So in the equilibrium position, that summation of all the forces should be is equal to 0. Okay, so that means vertical value is balanced as well as horizontal value also balanced. Okay, let's take the horizontal value, both side horizontal value what? Okay, horizontal value means here it is a theta, so this is T1 cos theta. So here what will come? Here T1 sin theta, like that here T2 sin theta. This T1 sin theta and T2 sin theta, it will be balanced. So I'll write that steps here, that is T1 sin, what is the theta left side? That is 36.9 degree. It will be balanced with the T2 sin. Okay, right side what is the angle? Right side angle is, that is 53.1. so that I can write 53.1 degree. Okay, okay students, already we know sin 36.9. what is that sin 36.9? Sin 36.9, that is 3 by 5. So now I can write here T1 into, that is 3 by 5, okay, equal to T2 into sin 53.1. Sin 53.1, you know, that is a 4 by 5. Okay, that is 4 by 5. So if you observe that 5 value will be cancelled. So the remaining left side is 3 T1 is there, right side is 4 T2 is there. So let us take, this is considered as equation number 1. Okay, so this equation is formed from horizontal balanced force, like that vertical balanced force. Okay, for vertical balanced force pathina, this weight downward, okay, downward weight is equal to upward cos theta value. So here you know, this is T1 cos theta, this one you know T2 cos theta. So this is T1 cos theta, this is T2 cos theta. These both it will be balanced with the weight. Okay, அப்ப என்ன சொல்லலாம்னா இந்த ரெண்டு cos theta வேல்யூவும் வெயிட்க்கு ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும். So இப்போ அந்த ஐடியா எழுதுறோம் பாருங்க. That is the second idea. So both cos theta value, that is T1 cos left side angle. What is that left side angle? That is 36.9 degree plus one more cos theta is what? That is T2 cos one more angle is what? 33.1 degree. That is equal to downward weight. So upward cos theta value is equal to downward weight. Okay, so now as usual we can replace T1 cos 36.9. Cos 36.9 is what? 4 by 5. Okay, so I can write here 4 by 5, then plus T2 into cos 53.1. Cos 53.1 already you know, that is 3 by 5. That is 3 by 5 is equal to W. Now as usual steps, so we can write as 4T1 plus 3T2, that divide by 5 is common. அப்ப அந்த common இந்தாண்ட போச்சுனா 5W னு மாறிடும். Okay, so 5 என்ன பண்ணலாம், இங்க மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிரலாம். So it is a 5W. So this is I taken as equation number 2. Okay, right. So now the next step is, so already you know 3T1 then 4T2. Okay, so here we can write one more steps. T1, how we can write it? T1 is equal to 4 by 3 T2. Okay, this is from equation 1. So this steps that t1 value I can substitute here. இந்த t1 ல இருந்து apply பண்ணுங்க. So அப்ப என்ன எழுதலாம்? 4 into instead of t1 we can write 4 by 3 t2 plus 3 t2 is equal to 5w. Okay, so we can write 4 into 4 16. So 16 t2 divided by 3 plus 3 t2 is equal to 5w. Next here multiply. So 16 t2 plus 9 t2 then whole divided by 3 equal to 5w. Therefore next 16 t2 plus 9 t2, so 3 into 5 15, so 15w. Okay, so 16 t2 plus 9 t2 that is equal to 25 t2 is equal to 15w. So both side it's a fifth table. Okay, so upper fifth table, or otherwise we can write one more step. t2 is equal to 15 divided by 25w, that is equal to 3 times here 5 times w. So now we can find the t2 value. So I'll write here from here. Okay, so now I find that is a t2 value. t2 is equal to 3 by 5 w. Okay, right. Next, so we found one torque value, that is a t2 value. Okay, right. Then next one, we can using the idea, the principle of moment. Principle of moment, force into displacement. It is a so principle of moment, already we discussed some question. See that here the force value into this distance is equal to here the force value equal to the remaining distance. So that is a principle of moment. So I remember that, that for example here the knife edge is there. Okay, for example it is the x d1 distance, the remaining is this is d2 distance. Here for example two forces is acting, this is F1 force, this is F2 force. So this is the equilibrium point. How to say this equilibrium point? F1 d1 is equal to F2 d2. So this idea, principle of moment. So this is already so the same idea I can using here. Okay, here the left side distance is d, but what about the force? The force is what? Upward torque only the force. Okay, so that is t1 cos 36.9 degree, that is the force. Okay, so shall I using the same idea here? Here F1 force is equal to, we can write t1 cos 36.9 degree. Okay, this is F1. Then d1 is nothing but d equal to F2 is nothing but that is t2 cos 53.1 degree into d2 is nothing but what? Already this is 2 meter, so the remaining distance is 2 minus d. Okay, this total length is 2 meter up to here d. What about the remaining part? 2 minus d. So that is I writing here. I'll write here, that is 2 minus d. Okay, now we can replace the value. Okay, t1. So t1, the t1, this is the t1. So t1 we can write 4 by 3 t2. Okay, so 4 by 3 t2, 4 by 3. So t1 value, I can write the t1 value, that is 4 by 3 t2, then sin 36.9, sin 36.9, that is 4 by 5, that is 4 by 5, and then d as usual is equal to t2, that is 3 by 5 w, Then cos 53.1. Cos 53.1, that is 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Then as usual, this 2 minus d is there. Okay, listen carefully. Listen. So 4 by 3, T2, again T2. T2 is what? 3 by 5 W. 3 by 5 W. Then 4 by 5 into D is equal to 3 by 5 W 3 by 5 2 minus D. Okay, so that here 3 value get cancelled. Okay, then so the remaining term I can write as, that is 4 by 5 W, then 4 by 5 into D equal to, here 3 by 5 W into 3 by 5, then 2 minus D. So please listen students. So 5 into 5 25, here also 5 into 5 25. So this 5 value I can cancel. So the remaining, here that W value will be cancelled. So I can write the next step, 4 into 4 16. So 16D is equal to 3 into 3 9. So 9 into 2 minus D. Okay, so I can write 16D is equal to, here 18 minus 9D. Okay, minus 19 moving left side, plus 19. So already 16 is there. So we can write 25D is equal to 18. Therefore D is equal to 18 divided by 25. 18 divided by 25 I can write as, that is 0.72 meter. So finally we found, that is center of gravity from the left side, that the distance is 0.72 meter. Okay students, here so many concepts are there. First, based on the triangle concept, we found the angle for horizontal and vertical view. After that, equilibrium concept. First idea, we can use the horizontal equilibrium. Second idea, we can use the vertical equilibrium balanced with the weight. Then third idea, we can use the principle of moment idea. Okay, finally we found, that is the distance value. Okay, finally we found this distance value, that is 0.72 meter from left side. So from the left side of the bar, 0.72 meter distance, its center of gravity is present. Okay, thank you.